Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can hide apps on your iPhone device after updating it to the latest version iOS 26. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26 and now you want to hide apps on your iPhone device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can do that. So first of all, here you'll need to open settings in your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, here you'll need to scroll down and tap on general, then here tap on soft update, and make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you will need to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. So after that, here you will have to open again your home screen. Then here, let's suppose I want to hide WhatsApp on my iPhone device. So here you will have to simply long press. Then after that, you will see this interface. Here you will have to tap on require face ID. So after that, you will see this interface. Here you can see that here the option of hide and require face ID. Here you will have to tap on hide and require face ID. Tap on this. Then after that, here I will have to give my face ID. Then after that, here I will need to enter my iPhone passcode. Then tap on here hide app. Then here you can see that the WhatsApp has been hidden and it's not available on my iPhone device. So here you can see that this is not available on my home screen and also not available in my app library. Here you can check that the WhatsApp is not available in my app library. So here you'll have to scroll up and here you can see that here the hidden folder. Here you'll have to press on it and here you can see that that is here available. So in this way you can hide any app in your iPhone or iPad device after updating it to the latest version iOS 26. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.